What's up everybody, How To Tech Studio here with another Pokemon Go spoofing video for you guys. We are showing you how to get iPoGo onto your devices, no PC, and it's completely free. So we are back. If you're brand new to our channel, make sure you show support by hitting that big red subscribe button and set up the notification bell to get all the latest good stuff sent to you. And if you are brand new to our channel, we are going to be using something we've done before, and there's going to be a couple little things I need to talk about as we go through, so stay tuned for the whole video. Right, before we get into this, if you're looking for the most reliable way of getting tweaked apps onto your device, then look no further than FlexStore. This is a no revoke and no PC alternate store that allows you to get iPoGo, Among Us Hacked, and so much more onto any iOS device with no revokes. So go ahead and check out flexstore.com, the best place to go for your tweaked apps. So, as we said, this is going to require no PC, and it is going to be completely free. So, if you're not so sure what iPoGo is, basically it allows you to teleport around, use a joystick, use feeds, and so on. If you're brand new, then check loads of links out in the description on how to use it safely. Please don't teleport first without watching those. So, let's go ahead and get your device set up, ready to go. First thing first, you need to delete off any version of Pokemon Go you have. So make sure you delete it off of your devices and update to the latest iOS version. It always works nicely on the latest versions, but it can work in lower ones as well. So it's up to you. You can either try it on lower versions or just update. We are going to use TutuBox. Now, if you haven't used TutuBox already, basically this is an alternate signing store that allows you to get tweaked apps onto your device that Apple doesn't want you to have. Okay, so at the moment there are a few adverts on there, so we just need to make sure that we are aware of those, and we're going to go ahead and get this. So if you've already had TutuBox before, then delete that. If you have any other ones like AppCake, AppValley, so on, just please delete those as well, because they will revoke in the future. This guy is currently working at the moment. So the first things first, you're going to need to go down to settings, scroll all the way down to where you see, where are we going to, Safari, all the way down to then clear history and web data, and get rid of that. So that means that there's no blacklist or anything about on your device. Then you're going to go into Safari and then type in TutuBox, T-U-T-U box.io, and then hit go. And then there are quite a lot of adverts on this. Basically, because it's free, there's a lot of adverts that pop up. So here, for example, it says, please download this VPN. This is an advert. If you look at the top left of that little box there's a little minus sign. You can tap that and get rid of it. So, first things first, you can get either TutuBox VIP, which you have to pay for, or we're going to get the free version, which is Risk Revokes. So, we're going to tap on Risk Revokes. If it doesn't work first time, it seems like it's frozen on mine for some reason. So I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the page just in case. So we'll refresh that and then we'll tap on it. Again, there's another advert. We'll get rid of that and then tap on Risk Revokes. Another advert, so get rid of that. And then we'll try a third time and it works. Okay, so like I said, there's lots of adverts, but they pay for the cert that you have. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on Install Now. There might be another advert. Again, tap on the multitasking and swipe it away. Again, we don't need this, and then go back to Install Now. So it takes a little bit of faffing about, but you'll get there eventually. So it says, would like to install TutuBox? Yes. So you're going to click Install. Now, it will start to download onto your device. Here, if it says unable to install, then that means it has been revoked. So it's been taken away by Apple. If this happens, then make sure you check the links out in the description for always working methods, or you can go onto our channel to see if there's a new video on how to get it. Okay, so stay tuned with us. We always bring you the latest ways of getting your Pokemon Go spoofing. But for now, this works. What you're going to do is then you're going to go to Settings, scroll back down to where you see General, and then all the way down to Device Management, and then you're going to tap on the Enterprise app, and then click Trust. Again, if there's no Enterprise app here, that would mean that it's been taken away by Apple. So the next thing you're going to do is open it up. Now, if it doesn't open, if for some reason, like me on my personal phone, it said unable to verify. Now, basically this means that you've used this Enterprise certificate before. You might have used AppCake in one of our previous videos, and it has then been blacklisted by Apple, meaning that you can't verify using that certificate. The only way of solving that is to do a whole factory reset. I know it sounds massive, and I know that that's a problem, but if you update all of your stuff and back it up to iCloud, then you reset your device to factory settings, back up from iCloud, and then you are good to go. Okay, so that's the only way of fixing that. We have a whole video on that in the description if you're not so sure on what to do. So, as you can see, there's an advert and a big X in the top left-hand corner, so just tap on the X. Again, tap on the X. These are all adverts, and then we're into TutuBox. Luckily, iPoGo is there, and our Saunders actually updates iPoGo as the latest ones are there. So you're going to click on Get and Install, and then you'll see it starts to install onto your device. Any issues here, remember this could revoke in the future, so if it does revoke, then please make sure you check the links out in the description. Also check the comments and stuff, and when this works for you, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and send us a lovely comment. We love seeing all of your comments in the description, and sorry, not in the description, in the comment section, and we like to interact with you guys. We've had a massive, wonderful support. We did a stream yesterday. I know it went a bit wonky at the end there, but it was really good to speak to you guys. So make sure you stay tuned and get involved in the community. So we're nearly done now. Remember, when I get this, make sure you check out the 2 videos in the description. Number 1, how to use it safely. I don't want people to teleport around because people still say that Pokemon flee on them. There's a whole video on how to fix that, and the best settings for iPoGo as well. So there we go. It is opened up, so we can go back to settings. Just check when you go back on here that it's been verified. It has, so we can go ahead and open it up. If it crashes on the first 1 or 2 launches, don't panic. That's just basically it's starting to get going, and we are good to go. You're going to allow your location while using the app, and then you set the date of birth to over 18, so that gives you all of the login options, returning player, and then you are good to go to log in. All right, so I'm just going to log in here just to show you that it works perfectly. Again, once you have got this, please check the links in the description for the best settings on iPoGo and to spoof safely. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Stay tuned on our whole channel for any other videos that we have, and I will see you all very, very soon. Enjoy, hit subscribe, and send us a comment.